Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make herbal decoctions. Dr. Khadar Vali, who is a biochemist and has been researching ancient practices for the last 25 years, recommends drinking teas made from these plants because they build our immunity and protect us from the ill effects of various pathogens and viruses. These 7 are unique to India, but there are varieties existing all over the world in different geographical areas that can help us all in similar ways. These are the immune building plants for the United States. Here I'm going to make an herbal decoction using the leaves of tulsi or the holy basil. So take a handful of the tulsi leaves since they're small and wash them and boil some water and put them in it. Let the leaves boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now since these leaves are from our yard, I am not worried that they are organic or not, but if you have some concerns, you can actually wash them in tamarind water as I've explained in my blog. After you're done boiling, just turn the heat off and let it brew for a little longer, 5 to 6 minutes, and strain and let it cool down a little more and drink. These plants are very special because they have antigen mimicking properties, and that is why they can keep our immune system primed and ready. You can make the herbal decoctions using the other leaves in exactly the same way and stay healthy and strong.